The state of Telangana offers an exceedingly fertile ground for agriculture. Its climate, water resources, and soil composition combine to create ideal growing conditions. A highly effective marketing system and robust connectivity infrastructure are in place. This allows for the efficient distribution of Telangana's agricultural products, extending even to international markets. Key crops cultivated in the region include rice, cotton, maize, soybean, pigeon pea, and groundnut. Rice, a global staple, a local triumph. Rice serves as the primary food source for roughly 50% of the global population. Within India, Telangana stands as a leader in rice cultivation acreage. The state boasts a remarkable rice production capacity, with approximately 4.7 million hectares dedicated to rice farming and an annual yield of around 16.7 million tons. Demand for slender rice varieties, such as Telangana Sona, is particularly strong, not only within Telangana, but also across other South Indian states. Telangana State Agricultural University developed and released Telangana Sona, a short-duration rice variety.
Telangana Sona అనే వెరైటీ విశ్వవిద్యాలయం వాళ్ళు చేశారు. అప్పటి నుంచి నేను దీన్ని ఉత్పత్తి చేస్తున్నాను. ఇది ఇంటికి బాగా ఉంది. కాకపోకుండా ప్రజలకు కూడా బాగా ఆరోగ్యంగా బాగా ఉంది. షుగర్ పేషెంట్లకు అనుకూలంగా ఉన్న వెరైటీ.
This variety is prized for its low glycemic index, 51.5, a unique characteristic that makes it suitable for individuals with diabetes. It also has a lower percentage of broken rice with high milling out turn. Telangana Sona has garnered considerable popularity, not just in India, but also internationally. Several companies have partnered with Telangana State Agricultural University through agreements that facilitate export to countries such as Kuwait, Middle Eastern nations, and the United States.
Telangana Sona low GI rice. This rice, the unique feature of this rice is it has got a glycemic index of 51.5%, which when you compare this rice to the other white rices, it has got the lowest GI level. When a diabetic person consumes this rice, his blood sugar levels would not shoot up, it would be stabilized. That is the reason this rice has got a lot of demand not only in India, but other countries.
Telangana Sona. The Telangana state government strongly supports and actively encourages the export of this popular rice variety.